Hello YouTube, how are we doing? Welcome again to another segment of Checking Charts, and you know what we do here on Checking Charts. All right, I go over the trades that I took this week, and also I analyze any future opportunity that I can capitalize on my pair that I trade. So if this is your first time coming across the channel, I would like you to like, share, and subscribe. Help us to get to thousands of people out there, if not millions of people out there. Okay, let's grow this channel because there are a lot of educative, motivational, and good things coming out from this channel. So if you are enjoying this, do well, okay, to recommend this channel to somebody else, all right, so that we can all grow together as family. So guys, I want you to relax and go through this chart with me this day, and I'm going to see you in my charts. Peace out, guys. So glad seeing you here. I'm happy seeing you here. Quickly, let's go into the trade that I took this week. Although I just took one trade, it was kind of annoying. All right, I'm going to explain why I said it's annoying, and also when I'm done with why I took this trade, then we'll go to my outlook for next week. Okay, without further ado, let's quickly do this thing that we love. Okay, so why did I take this buy? Quickly, let's go back to over to the higher time frame that I used, the daily time frame. So basically what I want to see on the daily time frame, I just want to know the range that we are trading off from. I want to know the order flow, what's happening on the higher time frame, because to me it is not wise just trading off of just that 2-hour time frame and disregarding what's happening on the higher time frame. I want to be sure, I want to know what's happening on the higher time frame then before going over to my 2-hour time frame where I normally execute my trades. So quickly on the daily time frame, you can still see that we are bullish. We are still making that bullish order flow. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, and you can see we are about to take this high. Okay, we are about to take this high. Maybe not. Okay, but normally price action, okay, we are meant to create higher highs, higher lows in an uptrend, and in a downtrend, lower high, lower lows in a downtrend. So I'm anticipating another higher high. Okay, so this is just the range, my fib 2 from swing low to swing high. I'm sure that okay, yes, this is just the range I'm trading off from. That's all I just need. Then I go to my 2-hour time frame where I just look at the market structure and take my trade. So on the 2-hour time frame, I think first of all, this I was expecting like a quick buy, okay, from this swing low to this swing high, maybe just come somewhere around here, because I was looking at the way this candle was forming. I was liking it, but as I came back, I saw that it's not the kind of candle that I wanted, so I had to just chill out and wait for another setup to show. Then I will strike. Okay, so I waited and waited and waited. Like, this is what we do as traders. Our job here is to wait. Okay, our job here is to wait. So what I do, my strategy is go to the daily time frame, check what's happening there, go to your 2-hour time frame, look at the trend that's happening there, and on the daily time frame I've known the range. On the 2-hour time frame we are trading bullish, and allow price to tap into the discounted level, or the 38.2 level, which you can see it has done here. It has tapped right here. Now wait for your EMA to cross over. You can see we had that crossover right here. We had that crossover right here. So upon this crossover, then you wait for a retest, then you enter. So we crossed over, break, and retest. We have retested it right here. This candle retested it, but I cannot enter off this candle just like that, because the candle is just too big, and if I do something like that, I won't like the stop loss placement to just be too wide for me. I won't like it. So what did I do? I took my fib 2 from swing low to swing high of that candle. Then I just put my position tool between 50 and 38% level, the middle there. Then I just went for maybe price to retrace and tag me in, and that's what exactly happened on this next candle. And as soon as we got to my 1:1.5, I went break even immediately. That's how I trade. Okay, so but something really happened that like really, I won't say pissed me off, but I'm not happy with it. You can see that price, after going break even, look at where price stopped, but yet I was stopped out on my prop firm equity edge on as break even. Meanwhile, price never got there. Maybe spread, I don't know whatsoever they want to call it. Okay, that's just what always happens. Once they just find out that you are becoming profitable, they look for every means to just do one or two things. But I'm not blaming the prop firm. This is just how the market is. Okay, so this is the reason I entered the trade. Okay, and you can see that the trade is still playing out nicely. Even if it comes back whatsoever, I'm already out. Even if I was still in this trade, I will still be out at break even. But I believe we are still going to push higher and higher. Okay, so that's that for the trade that I took this previous week. Now on to the next one. What am I expecting next week? Okay, on the daily time frame, we've already done that. We are still in that bullish range. Okay, so that's cool. Now on the 2 hour time frame, you can see we are breaking structures to the upside. Higher high, higher low, higher high. So I'm expecting a higher low, then another higher high. That's what I am expecting. And you can see that we are already having this pullback right here. So I'm not going to take my Fibonacci from swing low to swing high. So I'm going to now chill out, then wait for price to make its way down either to this level, or whatsoever level. I just want to see it make a reaction on these levels. So once it comes down to any of these my levels, I know that it would have crossed to be like something like this, somehow bearish. Then I'm going to also wait again for it to cross bullish. Then after crossing bullish, I'm going to wait for the break and the retest of my EMA cloud. Then I'm going to enter depending on the candlestick that I see. That's how I trade. I use candlestick, my EMA, and Fibonacci. All right, mostly I use 50 pips stop loss. Mostly like 80% of the time I use 50 pips stop loss. Then I target 150 pips, or I do 1:3 risk to reward. So this is my anticipation for next week. Okay, and even if we fail to do that, then maybe I can just readjust myself and know how to follow the market, because you don't want to fight the market. That is one thing you don't want to do. You don't want to fight the market. You want to trade accordingly to what the market is showing you and not what you are thinking. Okay, what the chart is showing you is what you are following, not what your instinct is telling you. I can do this, and on Monday this thing is destroyed. This thing will not even play out like this. There might be no setup like this next week. But regardless of what is happening, just keep following the process, keep following the steps, keep doing what you are doing, keep repeating it. That is how you become profitable. And I have never been this confident in my life since I started trading. I've never been this confident in my strategy, because I have backtested it. I've had the data in my hands, and I don't know, I'm just so confident in myself using this strategy. And that is how every trader out there should be. There will be losses. I'm just coming out from a losing streak, 7 trades lost in a row. Okay, I'm just recovering back from those trades. I'm still stronger than before. Like, I've never had this kind of confidence I'm having now. Like, I can see my breakthrough. Okay, so till you get to this point, you need to be very, very conservative. You don't need to start taking every trade. You don't need too many pairs. One pair is enough. One strategy is enough. One time frame is enough for you to kill the market. Okay, so you have to know that you have no decision here on this market. You have no say. Just come and take the peanuts you can take and leave, and let your emotions not be triggered all the time. Don't make your heart beat too often. Don't make yourself look miserable most of the time because of these charts. Okay, so if something is not there, something is not there. Okay, if something is there, something is there. Don't force anything. What will be will be. So guys, this is going to be the end of my of my chart. So I'm going to see you on the other side. Peace out, guys. And yes, guys, we are wrapping up. Okay, this is the end of checking charts. All right, I hope you found this great. I hope you found it educative. I hope you found it exciting as well. Okay, like you all know, okay, this week was, I won't say bad. Okay, it wasn't bad, just that it happens. Okay, I won't say I was cheated, but it happens. Okay, most times things like this always happen. Spread can just stop you out and market keep going in your direction. Like, guys, this industry is not made for you and I to make money. It's made for you and I to lose money. So once they just see that you are profitable, once they just see any sign of profitability in you, they are going to fight you with everything that they had. Let me just show you guys this thing once again. It's not like I'm angry or whatsoever. It's normal. This is what every trader is going to go through. All right, look, very close. Didn't come to my break even at all. As you can see, look at, didn't come to my break even at all, but yet I was just stopped out and market is still going in my direction. Let me show you on my account. Let me go to history. Last 7 days. This week, just one trade that I took. You know, the way I trade, very conservative. Okay, I don't trade that much, and it helps me to limit over trading. Okay, you can see -$2. Okay, so it's nothing. It's nothing. Okay, I'm really going to bounce out from this drawdown. I'm just like 4% drawdown. I'm going to bounce back to break even and get my first payout, and I'm going to let you guys know about it. Okay, so it's just something that you need to embrace in this industry. As long as you're coming in, you should be ready for things like this. You cannot escape it, no matter how profitable you are. Okay, you cannot escape it. Those beginners, they face it. Those that are intermediate, those that are expert, they still face this thing. Once they notice any sign of profitability in you, they are going to do their best to just fight you. But you have to know that this is an emotional battle. Okay, now you have the skill set. Okay, now you have the skill set. You have to build that emotion, okay, to be able to handle things like this. Okay, because I need the profit. I need it. At least if this can hit take profit, I will be down just 1%, and any other good trade, boom, $200 I'm going to withdraw. But just look at what's happening. But I know I'm going to bounce back. Okay, the month is just starting, and we've not gone too far. All right, I know I'm going to bounce back by the grace of God. So if you found this video good, if you find this video excellent, please do well to let me know in the comment section. If you learned 1 or 2 things, okay, do well to let me know in the comment section. And guys, I have something I want to tell you guys. I'm going to be doing a challenge. Okay, I got a 100k account from Good Funded Trader, although this is like an investor stuff. Okay, I'm going to be trading it live on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be documenting the journey here on YouTube. Okay, I'm going to be documenting the journey. I want you guys to see how I do it. If I fail, you guys are going to see. If I pass, you guys are going to see, and how long it's going to take me. I believe highest 2 months I should be funded. I know a lot of you will be like, 2 months is too much. Yes, it's too much, but you are sure that you're going to get funded, so it's not too much. Okay, because I trade, you know, with the daily time frame, the 2 hour time frame. So these are higher time frame, and frequently I don't get much trade. Maybe twice in a week. Okay, in a month, 5 to 7 trades in a month. A lot of people will be like, this is too small, but I love it. It helps me. It gives me peace of mind. It helps my psychology. It helps me to stay calm. Okay, so you guys are going to see how I'm going to be able to pass this account. If I fail, I'm also going to let you guys know. You also see it. Okay, and if I pass, you guys will also see it, and hopefully also I can get my first big payout from this 100k account. Guys, keep dreaming big, keep dreaming big. Okay, enough of small thinking. Okay, it's time to grow. All right, do well to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, recommend this channel to somebody out there so they can benefit. And if you also want to see me, you know, doing this challenge, let me know in the comment section, and also subscribe and turn on notifications so that anytime I drop a video, you're also going to watch it. And also guys, every Wednesday I drop heart to heart trader stock video. Guys, you don't want to really miss those episodes. Okay, you don't want to miss those episodes. I talk about, you know, what trader go through, motivation, also educational stuff, psychological stuff. You guys don't want to miss this. I give this thing free out there. A lot of people charge thousands or thousands for these things I'm just dropping here on YouTube for free. Okay, so if you are not subscribed, you're watching this, please, it takes nothing. Okay, just hit the subscribe button. Okay, and I'm going to see you guys next week, hopefully, and I'm going to be back with a banger. Have a nice weekend, guys. Cheers.